Hey guys, welcome to another video, and in this one I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install AnyDesk on your PC. So AnyDesk is a remote desktop application that you can use to connect with someone. And by connect, I mean they're using your PC literally. You're giving them remote access. It's kind of like TeamViewer, but newer version, but it's a different application entirely. So like I can't compare it to TeamViewer. So first of all, you search up AnyDesk on your website, on your Google browser or whatever browser you're using, or you can just head over to anydesk.com over here. So I'm just gonna click on the first link that appears, and then now we just head over to download now over here. After you click download now, this window shall appear, which is choosing where you want to download or put the installer for AnyDesk, and then you just click on save. And you have finished downloading the installer for AnyDesk. Now you just need to click on this exe file. When you open the AnyDesk exe file, it should open like that. This is what you should see, which is basically the app itself. Now, currently it's not installed on my PC, so let's install AnyDesk on this device, which is this one. Now you just need to choose the installation path, which is where it's gonna be installed. I recommend you choose the path that has more what do you call this, more space. So I'm just gonna go D and then just leave it like that, and maybe even add, I'm just gonna leave it at D like that because I have more storage space on the drive D. Okay, so yeah, just gonna leave it at that, and then you have the option to allow the collection of usage data. And once you're done, you just need to click on accept and install, and you should start installing AnyDesk on your PC. Now we'll just have to wait, and actually it's freaking done. And actually it's done. It's that fast. You can even have the option to install this other software. I'm just not gonna install this, so I'm just gonna go don't install. And here you have it. I have AnyDesk now, and you can start registering an account or logging in. But this is how you download and install AnyDesk. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.